Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change the number of decimal places in Tradingview. This means we can control how many digits appear after the dot. It's easy and quick, so let's get started. For example, for most of the stocks it's very sufficient to have like 2 decimal places, which is the default setting in Tradingview. If you want to change this one, for example, if you have like a pair trade or a ratio, let's see, for example, like this one, and I want to see like the third or the fourth decimal place, I'll make a right click on settings, next to the symbol, and here you have the precision. There you can change up to like 15 decimal places. For my case, I want to have like 4 decimal places. And as you can see, you now have like a lot more decimal places in Tradingview. I hope that helps you. And if you want to have any question on it, just write me a comment. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.